People who live, work, travel, or do business in Fairfax County have a wide variety of choices when it comes to transportation. This program explores the many transportation options available to Fairfax County residents and commuters. Whether you drive alone or use an alternative mode of transportation, a wide network of transportation choices work together to reduce congestion and improve mobility for everyone who travels in Fairfax County.
Public transportation in Fairfax County is abundant. Our bus system, the Fairfax Connector, operates approximately 85 bus routes throughout the county, transporting nearly 10 million riders each year. Fairfax Connector serves commuters throughout Fairfax County. Whether you're traveling to historic Mount Vernon on the southern end of the county, or to the shopping and business districts of Tysons and Reston, or to Dulles International Airport and the National Air and Space Museum's Udvar-Hazy Center, Fairfax Connector can take you there. Fairfax Connector also operates nonstop service along Interstate 66, 95, and 395, and along the 495 express lanes. Fairfax Connector is a key link to Fairfax County Metro Rail stations on the blue, orange, silver, and yellow lines. You can catch the Connector at any of these Metro Rail stations or at any of the Fairfax Connector bus stops. Signs are located approximately every 2 blocks along the routes. Soon, Fairfax Connector buses are expected to be equipped with new technology that will provide real-time bus information for passengers. No more waiting in the rain for your bus. Customers will be able to use a smartphone or website to find out the arrival time of the bus at their bus stop just in time to hop on. Fairfax Connector customers can currently get up-to-date information about bus service changes and disruptions by subscribing to Fairfax Alerts. Go to fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts to sign up. Customers can find complete system map, route, and schedule information online at fairfaxconnector.com or follow Fairfax Connector on Twitter and Facebook. If you need more assistance, visit a Connector store to plan your trip, purchase or add value to Smart Trip cards, or get other travel information. Our customer service representatives are there to answer your questions and provide free maps and schedules. The Connector store locations are open Monday through Friday. For individual store hours or for information about bus routes and schedules, visit the Fairfax Connector website at www.fairfaxconnector.com or call the Fairfax Connector Information Center at 703-339-7200. The TTY number is 703-339-1608.
You may catch Metrobus at any Metro Rail station or at any of the Metrobus signs along the routes. Fairfax County Metro Rail stations include Wheelie Reston East, Spring Hill, Greensboro, Tysons Corner, and McLean on the Silver Line. Vienna, Dunloring, and West Falls Church on the Orange Line. The Huntington Metro Rail Station on the Yellow Line, and the Franconia, Springfield, and Van Dorn Street Metro Rail stations on the Blue Line. Many of the Fairfax County Metro Rail stations have paid parking available, and all are served by Fairfax Connector or Metrobus. For more information about Metrobus routes or Metro Rail lines, schedules, and parking fees, visit www.wmata.com or call the Washington Metropolitan Area Transit Authority at 202-637-7000. The TTY number is 202-638-3780.
Another rail service operates in Fairfax County, which is used largely by commuters traveling longer distances in Northern Virginia. The Virginia Railway Express serves 2 rail lines originating in Manassas and Fredericksburg that travel to and from Washington, D.C. The Virginia Railway Express, known as VRE, has several stations in Fairfax County, including the Burke Center Station, the Rolling Road Station, and the Backlick Road Station on the Manassas line, and the Lorton Station and the Franconia Springfield Station on the Fredericksburg line. Passengers at Lorton and Burke Center stations can get to Tysons by transferring to Fairfax Connector routes 494 and 495. Free parking is available at most stations, and direct transfers can be made on both VRE lines to Metrorail, Metrobus, and Fairfax Connector service. VRE offers a mobile app which passengers can use to buy and validate VRE tickets and passes directly from a smartphone. For more information about the Virginia Railway Express, visit www.vre.org or call 1-800-RIDE-VRE. The TTY number is 703-684-0551.
For commuters who are unable to utilize regular bus or rail service due to a disability, Metro Access provides specialized transportation for riders who are certified as eligible by a healthcare professional. For more information or to apply for service, call Metro Access headquarters at 301-562-5360. The TTY number is 301-588-7535.
FastTran is a Fairfax County transportation service provided to residents of Fairfax County, Fairfax City, and Falls Church. FastTran riders must be certified by a sponsoring agency such as Mental Health Services or Senior Centers. For more information, call FastTran at 703-222-9764. The TTY number is 703-324-7079. Seniors on the Go is a taxicab program for senior citizens aged 65 or older in Fairfax County. Seniors who qualify for this program may purchase taxicab coupon booklets at a fraction of the cost to ride. For more information, call the Fairfax County Department of Neighborhood and Community Services at 703-877-5800. The TTY number is 711.
HOV, or High Occupancy Vehicle Lanes, are available to ride sharers on Interstate 66, the Dulles Toll Road, and on Interstate 395 in Fairfax County. For HOV2, there must be at least 2 people in the car to use the HOV lanes. The minimum requirement for HOV3 is 3 people. The express lanes, formerly known as the hot or high occupancy toll lanes, are available to drivers on Interstates 95 and 495 in Fairfax County. All drivers must have an Easy Pass transponder to use the express lanes. Vehicles with 3 or more people may travel for free with an Easy Pass Flex transponder, while vehicles with 1 or 2 people must pay the variable toll rate to use the express lanes. For more information about the express lanes, call 1-855-495-XPRS or visit www.expresslanes.com. For more information about HOV lanes, visit the Virginia Department of Transportation website at www.vdot.virginia.gov. Real-time traffic and travel information is also provided by the Virginia Department of Transportation at www.511virginia.org.
Fairfax County Ride Sources, operated by the Department of Transportation, provides commuters with free ride-sharing information, including ride-matching assistance for carpools and van pools, park and ride lots, and the Regional Guaranteed Ride Home program. Ride Sources is a part of the Regional Commuter Connections Network, which offers personalized assistance to start or join carpools and van pools. By ride-sharing, commuters are able to use the high occupancy vehicle, or HOV lanes, on I-66, I-395, and in the Dulles Corridor, or the express lanes on I-95 and I-495, and travel faster than single drivers. Ride-sharing also enables commuters to save money on parking and fuel expenses, and reduces the stress of driving alone in heavy traffic. By riding with just 1 or 2 other people, you can cut your commuting costs in half. There are nearly 50 park and ride facilities located strategically throughout Fairfax County. Commuters are encouraged to use the park and ride facilities in their neighborhoods to park and meet carpools, van pools, or catch the bus. While parking is free at all county park and ride lots, commuters who park at metro station facilities pay a daily fee. The Saratoga Park and Ride, located on Barter Road at the intersection of Fairfax County Parkway and Springfield, offers 500 free parking spaces. Commuters traveling to the Pentagon or Mark Center can enjoy a convenient ride from Saratoga Park and Ride on Fairfax Connector Route 393. Route 393 travels on the 95 express lanes and I-395 HOV lanes and stops only at these 3 locations. Fairfax Connector Route 394 also travels from Saratoga Park and Ride to the Pentagon, and between these 2 routes, weekday service runs every 20 minutes between 5:45 and 10 a.m. For more information about Park and Rides, contact the Fairfax County Park and Ride office at 703-877-5600. The TTY number is 711.
Commuters also travel by bicycle. Fairfax County offers a network of bicycle trails to both those who commute to work and those who bike for pleasure. The county's bike program, Bike Fairfax, has created a county-wide bike map showing bike-friendly routes connecting all of Fairfax County. To view this map, go to Bike Pages on the Department of Transportation website, or pick up a copy of the map at local bike shops and county government centers. Bicycle lockers or racks are available at all metro stations, and cyclists may bring bicycles aboard Metro Rail trains during certain hours. The Wheelie-Reston East Bike and Ride features the county's first enclosed, secure bicycle parking facility with room for over 200 bikes. With both traditional floor-mounted racks as well as vertical space-saver racks, the bike room also has room for oversized bikes and bikes with trailers. Bench seating and a fully equipped fix-it station make it easy to tune up your bike before hitting the trails. Membership to the bike room is a modest annual fee and provides 24/7 electronic access to the facility, which is conveniently located at the Wheelie-Reston East Metro Station.
Many employers throughout Fairfax County offer transportation options to their employees, such as preferred parking for carpools and van pools, flexible work hours so employees can avoid peak hour traffic, or smart benefits for riding bus or rail transit. The Fairfax County Transportation Services Group is eager to help employers arrange a variety of commuter programs in the workplace. Whether it's a telework program, the Guaranteed Ride Home program, bus or rail maps and schedules, bike racks and lockers, or incentives like the Smart Benefits Plus 50 program, the Transportation Services Group has a variety of programs and alternatives to help employers and their employees find a smarter way to work. Employers who offer a robust employee transportation program are eligible to be recognized by the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors as one of the best workplaces for commuters in Fairfax County. This national program already features over 50 Fairfax County employers who have worked with the Transportation Services Group to develop workforce commuter strategies which improve productivity and morale, increase retention and recruitment, solve parking and traffic issues, and identify the employer as a good corporate citizen. To learn how you can become one of Fairfax County's best workplaces for commuters, contact the Transportation Services Group at 703-877-5900, TTY 711.
Commuter-Friendly Communities is a Fairfax County program that recognizes residential communities for providing their residents with information about available transportation options, such as bus service, bike racks, safe pedestrian pathways, and information kiosks. For more information, contact the Transportation Services Group at 703-877-5900. The TTY number is 711.
While Fairfax County offers a variety of multimodal transportation options, there are numerous other transportation programs throughout the region that connect with Fairfax County. For information about connecting to Fairfax City's Q-Bus system and Alexandria's Dash Bus system, Arlington Transit, or ART, PRTC's OmniLink and OmniRide, Loudoun County's LC Transit, or other regional services in Virginia, the District, and Maryland, visit the Fairfax County Department of Transportation webpage.
The Fairfax County Department of Transportation is here to help you find the transportation information you need. It is our mission to plan, coordinate, and implement a multimodal transportation system for Fairfax County that improves mobility, reduces the carbon footprint, and enhances economic vitality for all of those who live, work, do business, or travel in Fairfax County. If you missed any of the information or telephone numbers in this program, or you would like more information about transportation options in Fairfax County, visit the Fairfax County Department of Transportation webpage at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/FCDOT. or call 703-877-5600. The TTY number is 711. Thanks for watching.